Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to download TeamViewer to your desktop. How you can do it. Watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your browser, any browser you are using, and after that, you have to search for the TeamViewer download. Once you will do it, multiple websites will be appear here. So you have to go to the official website of the teamviewer.com, click on it. After that, you have to select the version where you want to download the TeamViewer. So I have Windows, so I simply select window from here. If you have a Mac or Linux, your choice, you can select any. I simply select it for Windows, and now you have to select 64-bit version or the 32 version. So simply I select 64, and once you will do it, TeamViewer will be start downloading to your desktop. So this is the simple way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.